All right, once we get to this video, so you've got your photo, you've got your emojis that you've decided to select. So now we've taken care of the nitty-gritty, and now you guys are ready to dig deep into that text. So for this template, it's going to be the book No Talking, but I'm making this video for multiple templates. So no matter what book that your teacher is having you read, what I want you to know that at this point is when you guys are going to actually be pulling out the book. And if you've chosen that emoji, then you have to be able to find within the text some text evidence, because if you can't back it up with text evidence, then you need to think twice about the emoji that you selected. Now, you're going to add a text box, and that is up here. It's like a square that has a T on it, and we can actually draw out our text box for as big as what we want it to be. Then at that point, we are going to start to type a sentence. The character possesses the trait of frustration. So you notice that's going to go with this emoji. I'll put him right here. Now you're going to probably notice that this picture is in your way. You can easily double click it, and you can actually shrink the little image off to the side if you want to. Or if you want to take it off completely, you can. It's totally up to you. So now within my text box, I started out, I believe the character possesses the trait of frustration. Okay, now if I'm saying that my character is frustrated, now I have to dig deep into the text. So I know this because on page, whatever page you find it on, I'm just going to give an example. On page 42, paragraph 3, the author states that, and then this is where you're going to go deep into the text. So I'm going to hold up the book Wonder right here, so it really doesn't matter what text that you're using, but at that point is when you're going to go back into the text and get that text evidence. Okay, so remember that is important to have the text evidence. Now in Wonder we don't see many photos in here, but I know for some of you you're reading books that it does have photos within it. For example, for 4th grade I made a template for Cricket in Times Square. Now if you find a photo that you want to add onto your slide, you can still go back to add an image. So after you have this text box, and let's say you have an image from the text that you want to add, remember to go back to insert an image, and remember, because you have that ability by taking a snapshot where it ties into that webcam, you can hold the book up, get up close to your webcam, and you can snap a photo of what it is that you want. Okay, so I can even block out where I see my face and I can get to exactly what it is that I want. So don't think that you can't take snapshots of the book just because you're on a Chromebook. Okay? I wanted to go ahead and show you these possibilities. These are just some basic tutorials to get you started. This one is the most important because we've got to make sure that we're tying all of this to the text. The emojis are nice, inserting your photo is nice, and getting, you know, the layout and adding images. But what's the part that the teacher's going to be paying attention to the most? How much are you deepening your meaning with the text? You've got to show them what you know. All right. Good luck.